Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by triggering the feature. Press Shift 5 times to bring up the sticky keys prompt. Once displayed, open Accessibility or Ease of Access settings so you can control behavior. Make sure to enable the toggle labeled sticky keys and set the shortcut and sound preferences while in the panel. You do this now to avoid extra menus later. This initial activation gives you immediate access to modifier key remapping and prepares the system for step-by-step configuration. Once Sticky Keys is enabled, you configure how it behaves for daily use. You choose whether a modifier locks until you press another key or whether a single press applies the modifier just once. This affects typing flow. Make sure to enable visual or audio feedback so you know a modifier registered. Next, set a timeout for how long a modifier remains active and define acceptable multi-key sequences. These choices balance speed and accidental triggers during normal use. You finish by testing common shortcuts to confirm Sticky Keys behaves as expected. Try Ctrl+C, Shift+Tab, and Alt+F4 to verify results. If modifiers stick too long, return to settings and shorten the timeout, or change the lock versus single press mode. If the Shift 5 times shortcut no longer appears, disable and re-enable the feature or restart the computer to reset the handler. If problems persist, use the Accessibility Reset option to restore default key mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.